Yeah, as you can see, everything is stock, like on my Yamaha, a little bit dirty because of the rain and Sahara dust. Yeah, so my next project is to restore this bike. Look at that! Oh my god, this is extremely dirty. But cleaning is not the biggest part of this bike. The worst thing is give me a second. There is rust inside the tank. As you can see, this is really bad. Yeah, this is bad. So also there are a lot of scratches on the tank and a little dent here. Yeah, this is bad. Yeah, I don't know what to do on this dent, but maybe I could fix that. So I have to unmount it, disassemble completely, and make it a new bike. So I'll give you this view. You can see that better like this. Yeah, that's it for this.